Good morning, students. Yesterday we have seen that the lesson odd one in how Rima and her friend tease Malti. Now we'll continue the lesson. Shehnaz giggled. Why do you put so much oil on hair? She asked rudely. Here, Shehnaz, one another girl, that is Rima's friend, she asked to Malti, why you put giggled means laugh in a silly manner, silly way. She laughed and she said rudely that why you put so much oil on your hair. Malti looked offended but did not reply. Offended means she felt upset and she did not reply anything. And the skirt so long, said Claire cattily. See here, another girl, that is Claire, her name was Claire, and she again cattily said. Cattily means in a mean way, again in a rude way she said, skirt so long, skirt. Malti flushed. Flushed means she became anger. She in a flush of anger, she was about to say something when teacher entered. So she was trying to say something, but that time only teacher entered in the class. As the class progressed, everyone was surprised to see Malti raise her hand whenever teacher asked a question. See here now, when class progressed, that time teacher was asking question, and whenever teacher asked question, always Malti raised her hand. Why she raised her hand? To give the answer. Okay, yes Malti, you answer, said teacher. So teacher also wanted to know either she knows the answer or not. So she said, yes Malti, you answer. Malti answered correctly and teacher nodded in a appreciation. See here, Malti answered correctly. She knows the answer and she give answer correct, and teacher nodded in a appreciation. Nodded means to move your head up and down to say yes. So here teacher nodded in a appreciation. When Rima recounted this at home, her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. See, all these things happen in the school and Rima went at home and recounted. Here she again recounted means again she narrated what happened in the school to her mother, and her mother said, sounds like a clever girl. It means Malti was a clever girl. What is the use? What is the use? Said Rima uncharitably. Here uncharitably means in an unkind way. She is not kind with her. What is the use? Her English is so atrocious. Her English is so atrocious. Whose English? Malti's English. Atrocious means bad. So the what here Rima wanted to say that though she is a smart girl, she is a clever girl, but what is the use because she is not looking smart and her English is atrocious means she can't speak fluent English. The same the same the same may be said of your Hindi, countered Mr. Sen sharply. See here, Mr. Sen, her father said that as her English is atrocious, likewise your Hindi is countered. Countered means oppose. So same your Hindi is like her. He was getting quite sick of Rima's attitude. Even Mr. Sen did not like it. That night Rima's parents discussed the matter. See here, Rima's parents, they were discussed the matter that night, that why Rima is behaving like this way. Her attitudes, she is having a different attitude and that is not good there. That Rima's parents knows that. We put Rima into a good school to make her smart and confident. I am afraid she is turning into quite a little snob, said Mr. Sen sadly. See here, what her parent discussed, that why we sent her Rima in a good school to make her smart and confident. But now she is showing her attitude and that is not good. and he said that I'm afraid she is turning into a quite little snob. Snob means she is becoming overconfident. The following Saturday was the inter-house singing competition. Rima, who was participating in the English song category, was surprised to see Malti's name in the list of participants for the Hindi song category. Oily Plates sings also, she said sneeringly to Claire. See here. There was a competition, inter-school singing competition, and Rima who was participating in an English song category, and here the Malti, she is also give her name in a Hindi song category, and here Rima know that the Malti is also participated, and she said to her friend, that is Claire, that Oily Plates sings also. Oily Plates means she is giving name to Malti, Oily Plates, and snidely means rudely, in a rude way she said Oily Plates sings also. Crook, you mean, giggled Claire. Giggled Claire means again she laughed. Who? Claire laughed and she said, crooks, you mean Malti? It means they were to be proved wrong. Malti songs beautifully. She had a melodious and well-trained voice. Rima and her gang had decided to jeer when Malti sung. But there was such an absolute silence, they did not dare to do that. See here what the Malti sang beautifully and her voice is also melodious. But Rima and her gang, they were decided to jeer when Malti sang. But what is the meaning of jeer? Jeer means make rude remark in a loud voice. Means they wanted to tease her when she starts singing. But absolute silence was there in the hall, and because of that they did not dare to do that things. Okay, so here we have finished our next page, that is the odd one in, and now we'll continue this lesson tomorrow. Thank you.